Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a walkthrough of my entire year in my 2018 Erin Condren Life Planner. I am going to be showing you January 2018 until December of 2018, and also showing you how I plan with stickers but functionally. Also, I am going to be listing all the shops I use in the description box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell icon so you can get future video updates from me. And let's get on with the walkthrough. Okay, so this is a cute picture of my son that I laminated with a quill clip. And as you turn the page, obviously you have the cover page, like every other Erin Condren Life Planner out there. And then you have your quote pages, and there's personal information on here. So yeah, I never know what to do with these pages, and I hope to utilize them more functionally in 2019. I am going to be using my vertical neutral layout like this one I'm about to show you for my personal home family planner, and then my blogging channel planner I am going to be using my horizontal neutral layout that I got while I was in Austin. And as you can see, this is fully decorated and the 2018 is the perfect size. I would always go and order the remaining months plus the entire year, and it was a bit too bulky. So in my opinion, the 1 year life planner from Erin Condren is absolutely perfect. So we're going to go through the pages, and like I said, I never know what to do with these pages. I'm going to try to utilize them for maybe cleaning or blogging. But like I said, I am going to be using my horizontal neutral I bought while I was in Austin for my blog and channel. Now, this is my January goal page. I am sort of happy that she's switching to lined because as much as I love it, it's not functional for me. I don't usually use my monthlies. Okay, so this page, I didn't have my planner yet. I just went back and was messing around. Now, this is my first week in my new January 2018 Life Planner. This goes from the 15th to the 21st of January, and this kit is from the Coffee Monsterz Co. Also, this kit is a mix of Wild Summer Designs and the Coffee Monsterz Co. I tried doing something with that, but you know how that goes. I just can't get it to be functional. Even though the stickers are super adorable for the circles, I just never know what to do with it. It's just not functional for me. So I'm happy she's going back to the lined goal pages for 2019. Now we're getting into February, and I love decorating my monthlies. Financially, though, I can't afford to buy monthly kits every month along with my weekly kits. But as you can see, I do use it when I decorate it. Okay, so then we're in the end of January, the 29th to the 4th, and this is from the Coffee Monsterz Co. and Wild Summer Designs, and the washi is from Erin Condren. I don't know what I did with that bright pink washi. That just looks really tacky. Okay, so being that I did record this 20-minute video, and for some reason my mic didn't take, I am going to speed up the rest of this walkthrough. I will link all the weeks and the shops in the description below. And I just want to give a little disclosure. None of these kits were given to me or was I compensated in any way, shape, or form for my opinion. These are shops I love and I stand by and I love to support. So this is my own opinion and my opinion only. Okay, so as you can tell, I love decorating this page, but it's just not functional for me, even though the stickers were adorable. My monthly is blank, and we are moving into March 2018. Okay, so the week of March 5th to March 11th, and then we have the week of March 12th to, I'm not positive because I didn't put date dots, but this is from Wild Summer Designs,
And again, I'm going to link everything in the description box below. So here we go. April's decorated, not decorated, March 26th. Okay, so I love this layout. This was one of my favorites from Wild Summer Designs. I love the purple color scheme, and it was right before Go Wild, so it was perfect. This was a printable from Two Little Bees. Okay, moving along. This was Wild Summer Designs, and this was right before Go Wild. So again, not functional. And this was Go Wild week. It is a hot mess, but there was no time to plan while we were over there. We had planning sessions, like late night for all our night owl, for all my night owl llamas and smoker llamas. We would be up most of the night. But we didn't get much planning done. We just chatted all night. So shout out to my smoker / night owl llamas. Okay, so this is a beautiful kit from Wild Summer Designs. This is a swag kit from Cricut Paper Co. This is absolutely beautiful. Again, I don't even know. The gold page doesn't work for me. And then we are going into June of 2018. And here we go. May to June. I was still like in a slump from Go Wild. Okay, so June 4th to the 10th. I absolutely love this color scheme. This is beautiful. Okay, so this was a table swag gift from Oh So Pretty Planner. I highly suggest you check her out, but that kit was from Blue Scooter Press on Etsy. So we're going into July. 4th of July, this is from the Celebrations collection from Krissyanne Designs, and I am going to link that collection down below because you need to check that out. Again, this is from the Celebrations collection from Krissyanne Designs, and now it is available all year round. And this graph stamps, as you see, that is a stamp pad from Recollections / Michaels. I am going to try to find the link and link that down below because that is an awesome stamp to own. And it has all different sizes of the graphs. It has some with headers, some without headers. The possibilities are endless. Okay, so July. We are getting into July. Okay, so this is the week of July 16, 2018. This is from Krissyanne Designs, from a mix of different sheets I was trying different colors out, and this wasn't that productive, not productive. August monthly, not decorated. So then we get into the week of July 20th. This is a kit from Let's Plan It. This is one of my favorite weeks this year. I love her coras. You color them in with Copics, and they look like a stamp. And then I love the way the washi with the half grid is at the bottom. And them cleans and the habits, that's 2 different color Copics to get that ombre effect. And that was a sticker. The laundry, blog, and clean. And the Cora is from also Let's Plan It. And the kit is from Avalon and 9th. Okay, August 20th, this was a swag kit from Go Wild. I can't remember the shop, but I will link it in the description box below. But this was really, really cute. I really like this kit. And the laundry is from Let's Plan It. I actually did my monthly this month, September 2018. Okay, so this was a swag kit from Sweet Kawaii Designs. And there is right there, that is from Miscellany Blvd. That was also a swag kit. And that's Small Town Grace. That was also in my swag bag from Go Wild. And then there's some Krissyanne Designs mixed through. The weekend is Krissyanne Designs. And then this is my peacock theme from Birdfly Studio Monthly Nest. Okay, so September, this is a kit from Let's Plan It. Again, another Cora. And then this is also a monthly nest kit from Birdfly Studio. And now we're getting into October of 2018. Okay, so this was from the Celebrations collection from Krissyanne Designs. Guys, I am going to link that down below because I absolutely love her Celebrations kit. Okay, this was Krissyanne Designs from Michaels along with the Coffee Monsterz Co. Okay, so we're getting into October 22nd. And the gold page is a hot mess. November, not decorated. October 29th, the week of October 29th. This was Avalon and 9th. Her kits are super cute. And the chore list was a stamp from Michaels. Okay, November 5th, they were $2 Tuesdays I got from So Cute sticker, I believe. I'll have to link the shop below. You guys, I'm sorry, I cannot remember. The Clean is from Let's Plan It. That was a hot mess. We're in the last week of November into December. This kit is from Wild Summer Designs, along with some ink from Stamp Pads. I don't know what I was thinking. December 3rd, the week of December 3rd to the 9th, that was Krissyanne Designs from Michaels. And then we got December 10th to the 16th. I love this kit. This was a monthly nest kit, again, from Birdfly Studio. And this was a paper clip. It was a collab from Grumpy Bear Co., but I can't remember the shop I got it from. I will link it in the description below. So this kit is adorable. I love these girls holding the presents. December, I can't tell the week because I didn't put date dots, but this is from Wild Summer Designs. Now, this week was Christmas week. I absolutely love this kit. This was, again, a monthly nest sticker kit from Birdfly Studio. I did some blog post ideas, YouTube ideas, my son's nursery class list, and then this was stuff for Go Wild, and I don't know, I was just scrabbling all over. I don't usually use the stickers, you guys, as I buy my weekly stickers. Okay, everybody, so that was my year of 2018 in my Erin Condren Life Planner, vertical neutral. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am sorry if it's all over the place. I didn't realize the audio never recorded, so I had to do voiceover on top of speeding it up since it ended up being 20 minutes long. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you can get future video updates from me. Also, give this video a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. And again, I will link all the shops in the description box below, along with the shops that I couldn't remember who the kits were from. Thank you for watching my Erin Condren 2018 yearly flip through. Stay tuned for how I'm going to be setting up my new 2019 Erin Condren Life Planner, along with the horizontal Erin Condren Life Planner that I will be using for my blog and channel. Have a great New Year's, everybody.